Samsung Galaxy J8 is another mid-range phone from the company, though the specifications are similar to some other devices that the company has launched in the recent months. The J8 is priced at Rs 18,990 and comes with the infinity display and dual rear camera on board. Like the Galaxy A6 Plus, this one too is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor. It also sports a 16MP front camera. But how does it perform? Here's our review of Samsung Galaxy J8. Samsung Galaxy S8 specifications: 6-inch HD plus infinity display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, 16MP plus 5MP rear camera and 16MP front camera, 3500 mAh battery, Android Oreo 8.0 with Samsung's Experience UI 9.0 on the design front. Galaxy J8 might not wow, but it is a sturdy phone and at least one is not worried that this will slip from your hands. But yes, one look at the Galaxy J8 and it might remind you of previous Samsung phones. It has a polycarbonate body, which doesn't quite match the price that Samsung is charging. Coming to the 6-inch infinity display, this is good to use, but the HD plus resolution is disappointing at this price. While watching videos is not so bad given that this is an AMOLED display with accurate color reproduction, a sharper screen would have made a lot of difference. The overall design of the phone is compact though, and it is not too bulky. Samsung Galaxy J8 comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor. The phone is paired with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. The phone works fine with gaming, handling multiple apps, for social media consumption. But yes, there's a noticeable lag when you run games like Asphalt 8. More on that later. Samsung has introduced a dual 16MP plus 5MP combination at the back and a 16MP front camera. The live focus feature or portrait mode does deliver some good photos. Color reproduction is mostly accurate, though the low-light performance on this is not the best. The 16MP selfie camera should keep selfie addicts happy. Both the front and rear camera manage to capture ample detail in shots, which is good to see at the price. Overall the photos taken are appealing, and the colors are vibrant. Battery is one of the highlights of this phone. It has a 3500 mAh battery, which scores 9 hours plus on PC Mark test, and should easily last a day. I found that I did not have to charge the phone every day, even with moderate to heavy usage. However, keep aside more than 2 hours for charging. It also runs Android 8.0 Oreo, which is good to see on the newer Samsung phones. The phone also has a face recognition feature, which works well in most situations. The phone also packs a fingerprint scanner at the back, which is quick to unlock the phone. Samsung Galaxy J8 review: what's not so good? The design of the phone might be more practical than says glass and metal phone, but J8 does seem outdated next to the competition in terms of looks. The HD display resolution for the price is also not acceptable, as Full HD Plus is now common on most phones above Rs 10,000. When it comes to performance, Galaxy J8 scores around 70,000, which is not so great considering the price of the phone. Plus there was lag in the phone when there was a flood of notifications. Honestly, if you want more power on your phone, the J8 might not live up to that expectation. Again, like in other Samsung phones, I feel the selfie portrait mode needs some work to figure out the edges properly. At times my glasses would be blurred as well. The camera does tend to make colors like red, pinks appear sharper, which is not always the best effect.